how to make a presentation on Canva on a step-by-step tutorial. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is just to pull out any preferred web browser that you want to use. Now, in this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then just head over to canva.com. Now, if this is your first time, Canva is actually a specific graphic design platform in which you can use for free. But there are also like templates or maybe elements that you can use by subscribing to one of their premiums. Now, once you head out to this website right here, you just have to register your account using your Facebook, your Google Mail, or any email that you have in mind for you to register it here. Now, once you have successfully registered, this is going to be your Canva home or your Canva dashboard. This is not yet your canvas yet. So the first thing they would do is just to familiarize these options and these buttons right here. So this is going to be your home, the projects that you have edited or um, you have made, and then existing templates that you have pre-made, and they also have pre-made templates that you can use. Now, since we are making a presentation, just go ahead to home, and then in here, this is gonna be the designs that you can use and you can do. So you can create a YouTube thumbnail, a document, a whiteboard, a presentation, a social media edits like maybe for Facebook post, for Instagram stories, and so on and so forth. Now you can also create videos and then print them and then add your website, and then you can also choose to make a custom size for specifically for tarpaulins or maybe gift cards. So you just have to input what specific size you want, and then you can start your project. Now, since we are um, providing you a step-by-step tutorial and presentation, just head out to presentation right here, and then you will be redirected to a next or a new page in which you will be redirected to your Canva that you will be editing. So first things first, this is going to be on the untitled design since we are not yet starting to create one. Now, on this page right here, you just have to be familiarized on these options right here. So we are set to default as on the design. So these are pre-made templates that you can use. So as you can see, there are specific templates that has crown in it, which means if you want to use this template, then you'll have to subscribe one of their premiums. And then if you have successfully subscribed to their ones, then you can just go ahead and use them. So the next thing that you will do is these boxes right here will serve as your current presentation pages. So if your presentation is at, like, say for example 10 pages, then you can just freely add a blank page right here. So this is specifically your Canva, this plain white right here. And then the next option is going to be for elements. Now if you click on that, you will be given out specific shapes like arrow, frame, like line, circle, and so on and so forth. You can even choose graphics. They also have pre-made polls and quizzes for teachers, and then you can also generate an AI image, and then you can generate your own. Now if you head down, check out the tables, photos, videos, and then audio. Now just go ahead and proceed on the next option. For text, this is gonna be um, the default is set to a random style right here. Now just go ahead and try to randomly add one, and then if you click and drag on either of the designers right here, you're given a default font, which is gonna be Canva Sans. Now if you want to change this, just click on the current text, and then these are gonna be your options for the text. So the first thing is the font size, the color or the text color. If you wanted to be bold, italic, or a text that has underline in it, then you can also try to do that. So let's just delete this temporarily. Now for uploads, this is gonna be your custom made pictures or any pictures that you want to use that you already have from your files. You just have to upload it and then insert it. Now going back to the current design, since we are trying to make a presentation, let's just go ahead and go to design and let's just try to search for any presentation available right here. Now you can freely search on any designs that Canva has right here or any designs that you have in mind. So say for example, we are trying to just choose on any random designs right here. So if you clicked on any of these designs right here, then you will be automatically be redirected to that design that you have choose. Now there's gonna be a plenty of pages since we are making or we're trying to make a presentation out of here, but you can also freely choose on any um, pre-made template that you have. So in here is just choose on the first presentation design. Now if you clicked on this one, it will automatically be inserted to your current canvas. Now if you don't like the background, just simply click on that specific background and you can try to delete it. Now to redo it back or undo it, just simply press Control and then the Z on your keyboard simultaneously. You can also freely move any of the graphics right here or just go ahead and change the current font from that pre-made template. Now say for example you'd like another page. So just choose on these empty box for you to be able to add another page, and then if you don't like the same color or the same design from that next page, then just go ahead and just delete or just delete the background to make it a simple and plain white again. Now to insert another page, and then just go back to the current design and then choose specific design that you'd like on another page, and then just choose any random pre-made template right here, say for example for data analysis, then just again freely move on any of options in here. Now these portion right here is you just have to be creative depending on what design that you're making. So say for example you're already good with the design that you have made. Now if you will be uploading or downloading this, just head over directly to this option that says share, click on that, and you'll be given a bunch of options in which where or what you would like to do with the current project that you created. So if you would like to download it, just click on download and then it will automatically be redirected to your downloadable files. Now if you would also like these to be on a public view link, then just choose on these options right here and many more. And that's it. That's how you make a presentation in Canva on a step-by-step process.